Hello students, today we are going to solve another problem on centroid of lamina. They have given one question that find the centroid of lamina of the section which is look like this. We can call it as a Z section also. This is one of the important problem. It is look like this, and they have given the dimensions of this lamina. They have given in the problem itself. All dimensions are in mm. This is 20 mm, and from here to here it is 140 mm. And from here to here it is again 20 mm, and they have given thickness of this as well as 20 mm again, and this is as a 100 mm. Now this is not a symmetric figure, so what we have to do, we have to take XY line. First we have to draw XY line. How to draw XY line? Just see. From here, from the left end of the figure and bottom of the figure, you draw one line like this. From this end and from the bottom. Okay. Now name this as a X and this as a Y. This is X axis, this is Y axis. Now, if you want to measure the centroid of this figure, first we have to do partitions. Like we have to convert it into standard shape. This as a figure number 1, this as a figure number 2, and this as a figure number 3. Now for the first figure, what is the centroid? To find that, what we will do, we will draw one table as we have drawn in all figures, all problems. That is A in mm square, that is area, and this is as X and Y, AX, AY. Okay. Now how many figures we have? We have 3 figures. This is for first figure, this is for second figure, and this is for third figure, and this is for summation. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3. Now for first figure, which is first figure? I'll highlight this figure. I'll highlight this figure. This is a first figure. Okay. Now what is the dimension of this figure? 20. Here they have given 20 and 100. So what will be the area? 20 into 100, it become 2000 mm square. Now what is the X? What is the X in the X axis or first figure? What is the center of this figure? Center of this figure is from here to here. But from here to here, what are the dimensions? If you see, this is 50. Half of 100. Okay. But we have to measure from the 0 point. Where is the 0 point? Here is the 0 point. Now from here, from this point to this, what is the dimension? For that, what we will do, from here to here, how much it is? From here to here it is 100. From this point to this point is 100. So from here to here how much it become? It become 80. From here to here it become 80. So 80 plus 50, how much it become? It become 130. 130. These all are in mm. Okay. Now 30. Now in y direction. In y direction, what is the center of this figure? this figure having, what is the dimension of this? This is 20. So how much it become? From here to here it is 10. So this is 10. Got it. Now we'll come to the next second figure. For the second figure, I'll again highlight this. This is second figure. Now in second figure, when we are finding the centroid, what is the dimension in x-axis? Now to find the center in x-axis, just see from here to here, this is 20. So what is half at this point? This become 10. But it is not 10 from 0 point to here, it is not 10. So how much it is? This is 80 plus 10. So how much it become? 90. Sorry, I didn't find the area. Area we will find 20 into, what is the dimensions? 140. 20 into 140, it become 280. Okay. Now in y direction. In y direction, what is the dimension? 140. So what is the half of 140? From here to here, how much it become? 70. But from the bottom, when we have to measure, it is 20 plus 70. How much it become? It become 90. Okay. Now we'll come to the third figure. I'll highlight this figure, third figure. Only you have to consider this one, third figure, whole third figure. Now what is the half in x direction? From here to here it is 50, because whole dimension is 100 and thickness is 20. So first we'll find the area. 120 into 100 into 20, it become 2000. And what is the centroid of this third figure? In x-axis it is 50, and in y-axis this is 10. And from the bottom, if we want to measure 20 plus 40 plus 10, it become 170. Now multiply x into a, y into x into a into x and a into y. So multiplying, we will get these dimensions. So 90 into 2800, it become 2,52,000. 2,52,000. Same way, these are the dimensions we got, and find the summation of this. This become 6,800 and this become 6,12,000. Now what is the formula for this? To find x bar and y bar: a1 x1 plus a2 x2 plus a3 x3 divided by a1 plus a2 plus a3. Now substitute the values: a1 x1, a2 x2, a3 x3. Summation we have already here, divided by 6,800. So x bar value we get, that is 90 mm. This is x bar. And y bar: a1 y1 plus a2 y2 plus a3 y3 divided by a1 plus a2 plus a3. And values we have y bar is equals to 90 mm. Thank you.